Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy. I'm back with another video. For today's video, guys, I'll be packing for Jamaica. Say it with me, packing for Jamaica. That's right. Your girl is going on a trip. Your girl is going back home. Going back home forever and always. Just kidding. One of my sisters is getting married, so I'm a bridesmaid, so I gotta go. You know, I gotta fly in. So I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna show y'all what I pack to go on this trip. Okay, this lighting is a bomb. If y'all remember, I've been telling y'all about this wig. Well, not this wig, the other wig. I should have wore this wig to go down. But anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can get every time your girl uploads a new video. And so, okay, if you're only returning back to my channel, you don't know, say awesome. You are awesome. All right, guys, make sure you guys follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat, so you can get every time I post up. I may go on this trip. You want to see everything I do, make sure you add me on Snapchat and subscribe if you haven't done so. Yes, I'm wearing a shirt. I am wearing a top. Your girl is not naked. I mean, that wouldn't be bad. I'm in my own house, right? Good day. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I want y'all to come along on this trip with me, but I want y'all to see what's in my bag. Also, I gotta pack another bag for stuff that I gotta, a suitcase, another suitcase for stuff that I have to give away, for things I have to give away, but me don't know if no answer that. Me don't know no answer that. I don't even know what make a pot this. So excited. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Woo. All right, guys. So over here I have my mini suitcase. This is the carry one. It's about, what is this, 24 inch, 20 or 24 inch. I got this from Amazon. It is so beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see, because I'm doing this back way. Maybe my face will be cut off. Oh my God, it came with a padlock. Oh my God. I'm returning the one. I returned the one I got from the dollar store. Oh, see if I can bust this. Guys, it comes with a padlock. Oh man. Yep. So I'll be returning the one I got from the dollar store for sure. I just love this color. This is the inside. Hopefully y'all can see. Let me just open this up. Oh, you open this. Okay. Alright, I see. There you go. And you have storage right here if you want to store your wet clothes. And they have another section right here. Let's open that up. Ooh, okay. With all the shoes that I'm bringing, I don't know. Everything can fit in there. So I already did a whole overview of this. I'm bringing the sneakers. I got my little black heels, pump, whatever you want to call it. Am I in frame? Y'all just gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna bring that. And I don't know if I should bring these. I honestly just need one pair of heels, so I might not bring those. Ooh, I'm not trying to mess with my nails. And I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear these on the plane. I got my red Converse right here. I might wear this with a white fit or a black fit. So this is my Converse. Oh, if y'all, I'm gonna wear this white sneakers with this fit that I got from Romley. If y'all haven't seen my Romley try-on haul yet, go check that out. I'm gonna wear this. I got this from Walmart, $5. Can't beat that. And I like this little flats right here. So pretty. It's only $10, $9.99. Guys, I wear size 10. I wear size 10, but I know how to finesse it. I know how to make my feet look nice. Nice and pretty. Up in the shoes. Okay, nice and small. And you don't want your foot look big. Big and crazy. I know how to make my feet look nice and pretty. Pretty. People what the hell? Damn, for a big girl, you have small feet. I'm like, I wear a size 10. That's a size 10. Okay. I just know how to pull it off. Ooh. Okay. And I have these slippers. If y'all been watching if y'all seen my old videos, you can see I went with my friend to shoe haul. It's a vlog. We went to shoe haul, and these are only $5. They're very cheap. I had 2 pairs, but one bust up, one broke because it was, it's so cheap. $5. If they step on it the wrong way, it will rip on up. Rip. So here I have all my clothes in the bag. Most of them I bought. Most of them I already bought. Well, most of them I bought for the purpose of this trip. 7-day trip. And if it starts to, if I'm going to Dunn's River or somewhere, I can put my phone in this waterproof thing. I got this from AliExpress. It's probably like $1. And this is my cute little purse, my little bag. It is just the cutest thing ever. I got this from Forever 21. It also comes with this strap. You can put it on, you can wear it on your shoulder. I got this when I was going to Canada. I had so much fun in Canada. I opened up the bag and I still had Canadian money in here. I was like, okay, I might use this. I might change it over to Jamaican currency. And y'all see my fanny pack already, right? Y'all already seen this fanny pack. I did it on my haul. And I got this little bag from Ross. Yeah, it was only $10. Just a plain bag of opening right here. I'm just putting on my back, or I'm gonna wear it in the front. I was watching a video. They were like, if you're going downtown or anywhere, make sure you wear your bag in front of you, cause you don't want nobody pickpocket your bag. I was like, say no more. Say no more, okay? Say no more. You don't know, say your girl out pick here. And this is when we go out for dinner or whatever. Just a small little purse. Just put my phone and some money and whatever in here. That's that. And this is my toiletry bag. Where I'm gonna stay, it's crammed. There's a lot of us there, so I just want to make sure I got everything that I need in one bag. So I can just grab this, grab my towel, grab my rag, and just go in the shower, and I got everything that I need in this bag. I'll show y'all what's in here later on. And And this is the bigger suitcase. It comes in two, the small and the big one. So this is what I'm gonna try and hopefully fit everything in, everything that I'm gonna give away. So that's for that. And this little teeny beeny tiny little one is for me. Also, I have stuff for the wedding. I got the bridesmaid slippers, and I got robe. The original robe that my sister wanted us to get. I got my size, but it came a little small. It came a little bit too small for your girl. So I just brought me another one. Where is it? Are they both in here? Wait. Where? No. Is this? Okay, so I brought me another one. Okay, yeah, this is it. I bought me another one to cover me up some more, just in case. I don't want to be the only fat one. The only one that giving problem. Nothing counts. The struggle when you're fat. But anyway, so I got both of these. This, I can take back pictures with the original one. But to wrap up all the way, I got me another one close to the same color as the one she wanted. So, honestly, I don't know if everything can fit. Okay. I got the carry-on, and plus I could bring a small bag with stuff as well. So if everything don't fit in here, I'm gonna put it in my small bag. Most likely, everything won't fit. Everything won't fit at all. So these, I wonder if y'all can see. Let me come down some more. So these right here, I'm gonna put them to the side because I'll be wearing these at the airport. Ooh. So I'm gonna put my sneakers down in here. The bag full, the suitcase full already. Mama, the suitcase done. At the bottom, this side, the top. That's the bottom. Suitcase full already, one sneakers, and the thing done. So this is what I might have to do. For my carry-on, I'm gonna bring this, and I might put all my sneakers in my other carry-on bag. Because I don't know if these are gonna fit in there with all the clothes. So yeah, so I'm gonna save these sneakers. Maybe this could fit. I could probably put the flats in here, my white sneakers. You know, I should load them on the other side. It's so weird. I'm putting these over here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. And why did I get another yellow pair of flip-flop? Most likely, I'll probably give this away, even though I love it. I like how it fits my feet. But if someone wants it, I'll probably give it away. If I'm in a nice mood. That's if I'm in a good mood. Oh man. Oh shit. I hope my boobs don't fall out. But that would suck. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna save this. That's gonna go on the plane in my bag. Oh man. Oh man, there's so much stuff. So little time. Damn. Okay, I have some jeans. So this jeans I got from Ramui, but this wasn't in the haul. This came later on. But it was a little too small for me, even a little big. So what you do if you want to stretch it out, if you want it to fit your waist more, just cut it. Just cut the waist band section, and it will give the jeans some more stretch. Not stretch, but give it some more body. Whew. So I'm gonna try the folded method. Some people say roll the clothes, it will be better. But I'm trying folding them. So they're pretty, it's not like heavyweight stuff. It's pretty lightweight. I'm thinking about all those bags. And plus I got to bring down a whole bunch of bridal stuff to give away. So, John will, I know all this, I got wear coats, you know. So I got this jeans, the shorts from where did I get this shit from? Charlotte Russe. And I got these shorts, the shorts. I got this from Walmart. It was on sale for $3. So that's probably gonna be like a night, something I wear to sleep. And what is this? Oh, this is my tights right here. I got this black tights. And I got this white fit. This was from both these tights and stuff was from Amazon. Like this tights. It comes with this shirt, this top. Comes with this top, but I'm gonna wear it with a different top. I'm gonna wear it with this white top right here. So I probably put the top that it comes with on as a bra, like a body blouse, and then put this over it. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna fold these up. Put these right here. Damn, I didn't realize there's so much shoot to bring down. So some of it, this a little dress I'm just gonna wear if we go to the club or whatever. We decide to go to a club. I got this from Forever. Where did I get this from? Fashion Nova. It's like this string, the string dress. You can just pull the string right here. So that's that. I might wear my black heels with this, or I might just wear some sneakers. See, I wanted to get, oh man, I wanted to bring a black pair of sneakers. So this is like a jogging set. That's the top. And where is the bottom? The bottom is somewhere. Okay, here's the bottom. And this is just another shorts. I might wear this to sleep. I really wanted a nightgown, but I couldn't find one. I didn't feel like spending no money. Damn, let me take a break. Ah. Ooh. Alright guys, there's so much to pack. Like, I'm not even like halfway there. But I wanted to show y'all what's in my toiletry bag. I got this bag from Walmart. It was like $5. Ooh, okay. You open it up. It comes with this bath thing. She wants on your breast. But I'm not gonna use this. I'm still gonna bring it, but that can't be in mine. That's a little something. So I got this shower glove thing. I don't know, I already had it in my drawer in the bathroom. I was like, okay, let me just bring it. So you just put your big finger, your big hand in there, and you just rub it, bathe you real good. So that's that. And this, it comes with 2 small bottles. So why is this lighting on me like this? Like, I'm not trying to glow like that. It comes with these it comes with 2 of these little bottles. And right here I have some conditioner because I'm going to wash my hair so I can get it styled for the wedding. But I'm not going to wash it with any soap. I'm just going to use the conditioner. And right here, oh no sir, hold on, no sir, that like. All right, so right here I have this roll-on cologne thing from Chloe. So that's that. Just a dab right here, dab right there, dab, dab, dab. Just roll, roll, roll. So that's that. And I have my toothbrush. I got this little toothbrush. This is just my little personal bag. There's brush, brush, brush. That's a hard toothbrush. And I got my shower cap. I got this shower cap from Walmart. Got my shower cap. And I got my flossy. Flossy. When you got braces, you gotta floss extra, extra. So yeah. And I have my Dove deodorant. Ah, so good. Dove. This is about $8. Dove is expensive. So yeah. And I got my the things that I need for my braces to floss. I just wrap it up in this. I just put it, it's like a wire, it's like a little thing. You just put it in between your teeth with the floss and then clean with the braces. And I have this little cheap little spray from Walmart. I was like, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Let me get it. It's supposed to be like a travel size spray. I was like, this is so cute. This is all count. That's all count. So that's all I have in my bag for now. Later on, if I see or remember something that I need to add in, I'm gonna do that. But for right now, these are the basics that I will need. I'm gonna just grab this, go in the bathroom, bed, everything in this bag besides the rag and the towel. Everything else is in here for my convenience, okay? For my convenience. So that is the bag. That is the end of the bag. Or la 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 la. Let's get back to packing. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Woo. Okay, so here's a bag with everything. So I got three swimsuits. I don't know where the other one went. I got this one from Boohoo. Guys, remind me, everything that I got new, I washed it. Like I didn't like the scent of the new clothes, so I washed them. Now it smells like heaven. Smells like heaven. I got two swimsuits right here. And I got some shirt. I did this on the haul. I'm gonna show y'all since I did it on the haul. Y'all already know. So this, I'm gonna wear this with my shorts, the one that I cut up. I'm gonna wear this shirt with this, with that. That's I already pre-planned what I'm gonna wear. But if things don't go right, I could always switch it up. If I don't feel like dressing up, I can put on something simple, put on something popped on. And I got my pineapple shirt. I might wear this with the white shorts. I'm not sure. Make sure you guys subscribe. So you can see how I put these bits together. So right now I'm just putting everything in the suitcase. I'm not really organizing it in any particular way. So I don't know so I'm gonna reach. It's agomad. It's agomad. Oh, this is a cute little doggy shirt that I have. Ooh, what can I wear this with? See, I don't know. I don't know what I can wear this with. But anyways, I'm gonna wear it because it's cute. It's so cute. Guys, make sure you travel light. And I'm bringing 2 sports bra with me. I got this one, and I have this one. They stretch. It's a 2X. 2X, yep. See, I'm at the type of, I'm bringing 2 sports bra. I'm gonna bring a regular bra. I'm gonna bring 2, what do you call it, bra? Half bra, 2 half bra. But for the most part, like if I could go around with no bra at all, I would. Because I don't like wearing, I really don't like wearing bras at all. No bra for me. Where is my other stuff that I have in here? And for underwear, I'm just gonna be bringing some granny panty. Well, I got I'll be bringing some granny panty underwears, and I'll be bringing some thongs as well. So thongs and granny panties. Well, they're not really granny panties, it's just regular panties. A regular panty. So I got this other black shirt. So this is just gonna be like an extra, just in case I wanna, like if I wanna rewear a pants, but with a different topper. That's what that's there for. And y'all already, this is a secret right here. Okay. Ooh, I can't show y'all everything now, do I? Can I? This is a black, this is just a black stretchy jeans from Fashion Nova. Let me tell y'all real quick about Fashion Nova. If you didn't get your size and you wanna return it and get a different size that might fit you, just know, say, you're gonna have to pay for shipping. You're gonna have to pay to return it, and then they're gonna send you the size you want. Or if you don't want the product at all, if you don't want the clothes at all, they're just gonna give you a gift card, a store gift card. They're not gonna give you no money back. Once you spend that money gone. They'll only give you a Fashion Nova credit card or gift card. Fashion Nova gift card. So this is what I'm gonna wear to the bridal party. It's supposed to be all blue. So that's that. I already washed that as well. Well, this suitcase is so small. So I'm gonna fold these up. And I got my waist, what do you call it, Tina? Girdle. I got this girdle. And I got this girdle. I might wear this one to the wedding. I bring them just in case your girl gotta tuck that tummy in. But me, freelancer, free farm, I just let everything be. You already seen this black dress. Smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Whew. So yeah, oh wait, maybe I can wear this with the Converse. Yeah, I could wear that with a Converse. So what is this? Oh, panty. So I have this other fit right here. You already seen this two-piece. This is the one that I will wear with my $5 sneakers from Walmart. This is the fit I'm gonna wear with it. Damn, this don't even look that much. Damn. So that's 1, 2. Gentlemen, if it's not enough, I'm gonna be. I think I have to go back in my closet and get some more things out of there. Oh man, I already messed up my nails. Oh man, you see? Probably have to go in my closet and get some more stuff. I thought I took in everything, but I didn't. I got this other black dress that I'm gonna bring with me as well. I gotta get that. And I got this top. It's the cutest little top ever. I'm not gonna show y'all right now. I might post up a picture on Instagram, even though I rarely post anything. Oh man, I rarely post. Once I put everything in here, that's it. I am not opening this again until I reach them. Let me see if I can close this thing. And you can open, I know it has a zipper, you can open it up some more. Think so, where is it at? Oh, here it is. I got an expandable zipper right here. So this gonna allow me to fit more stuff in my suitcase, which is a yay. All right, so I'm gonna close this up. And then I'm gonna try and put the bags and stuff on the other side. Let me see if I can zip this up. I don't know why they didn't put another zipper on the other side. Oh Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Oh yeah. Whew. I feel like I can fit something in here. What kind of stuff in there? Smells so good. Maybe I can see this one's so small. It's right here. So what I'm gonna do is, oh man, I forgot I have this shirt. I'm gonna put it in this side right here. I need there's room for something else. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the smaller bags inside the bigger bag. Yes. Make it more compact. What if I can still bring this other bag as a purse, or are they gonna say that's too much? That's already. Alright, so maybe I can fit these shoes in here. I'm gonna close it like that. I don't know. So the rest of these shoes right here, I'm gonna put them in my other carry-on luggage. I wonder if I could bring my purse. I can bring this and a purse, but I don't know. I don't wanna be a nag at the airport. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in my other purse, my other carry-on, and I'm gonna put my bra and the rest of my panties. I can probably fit them in here. Yeah, and I got a whole bunch of sneakers over there. I got a whole bunch of clothes and book bags, jeans, candy, all types of shit that I have to try and fit that one suitcase. Hopefully everything can fit in there, because I don't have no more room. I don't have no more room. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this right here. And yes, guys, this can close. I can close. I'm just gonna fold this apart over like so, and I can fold it. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, cause your girl tired, and I got one more suitcase to pack. I got to pack all that stuff. Oh man. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one. Catch y'all in Jamaica. Yes. Bye.